Good afternoon, my daughter.
Sister,
welcome.
Good afternoon. Chisom, what happened? Did you get the file I asked you to get?
Sister, you won't believe what Brother Ibuka did to me. He threw me out of my own room. As for the file, it's inside my car.
Uncle, I simply do not get this. Why would Ebuka and Brother Okudili chase my sister out of our own house? Why?
Okudili, your brother, has invaded that house. Your house. Him and his family are now living there. He did not stop there. He even claimed the house to be his inheritance.
He must be delusional. How can the house be his inheritance? As who? He must be delusional to think I will fold my arms and watch him take my mother's property. That won't happen. I need to see him immediately because I've been calling him on the phone, but he's not taking my calls.
Yes, my daughter, I'm going with you.
We need to see them immediately.
Exactly.
Eze, get the car started.
No.
Let's go.
Go and get me my car.
Okay, Papa. Uncle will be waiting for you in the car.
Okay. Be fast, be fast.
I'm in your hands, oh God. Never leave me. Never leave me. Oh,
hurry up now, Gechi.
What is wrong with you?
Brother Kudili, someone told me that you and these two occupied my house without my consent. Unfortunately, it's true. But my question is, why would you occupy my house without my consent?
Your house, you said?
Yes.
Who told you it's your house?
I built it.
Yeah? How can you just walk in here and you're telling me to my face that my father's house is yours?
How dare you?
Yeah? What tradition proves it that this house belongs to you? That you can just walk in here to claim my father's inheritance?
I wonder.
Before me, when men are here.
See, Amaka, we have taken what rightfully belongs to us.
No legal action can supersede tradition. Now, Obenana, only the kids. So, if you know it's good for you, two of you, Nali.
Why you not and you might believe, oh boy, your name is Mother Nadia.
I don't understand. Sister, we need to go legal with all this issue.
We need to. Because you can't just sit down and watch them do this. It's not possible.
No, look at her. Look at your sister here. Don't look here with your Look, let me tell you. The rightful owner has taken over his rightful inheritance. So, I've been on Kobele, I've been on senior. She didn't bleaching cream. Bounce. Leave this place now because we have a big standing here.
The two are called
A big machine. Biko nyegudinda oso obelua. By people.
You want to take
them out of this place.
Daddy, I'll be going. Come on now,
throw them out of this place.
Be going.
Huh?
Go.
And please.
Come back and carry this one. Carry this one here because it's of no use having her here. Before I bring hot pepper and pour inside her eyes.
Please.
Come on, go. Come and go. This is called brutal takeover.
I'm French. I did French.
You do not see it coming.
It's called vous le pas.
Why are you looking at him like that? Is he suddenly a television?
I resemble Telemu.
Okay, wait. Okay, you came with charm. You cannot charm him.
I have forgotten.
Agu have wake up. Agu is awake. You cannot charm him.
Huh?
You cannot.
I resemble Telemundo to you. Or I've been a flash. You want some? And they're very crunchy and crispy. See, look. Just swallow it. Follow that.
Amaka, my daughter, I have great respect for you. But I feel insulted and disappointed. You should have brought this matter to me before making a case out of it.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Your Highness. Forgive me.
Well, having said that, the tradition handed over to us by our ancestors states that a woman have no right to drag for any properties in her father's house, no matter what.
Oh. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you for reiterating the dictates of tradition to her ignorant memory.
Your Highness, to the best of my knowledge, the constitution of this country overpowers every manner of tradition.
Oh.
My daughter, this meeting was originally meant for male members of our house family. Besides, the matter in contest requires only the attention of men.
Uncle, tell how? Mazo Okey. But she's a member of the family.
You go bribe me, John. Shut your mouth up. How dare you?
She is the bone of contention.
My friend, sit down and stop making noise. What's wrong with you?
Okay.
Why is it? Okay.
Calm down.
Your Majesty. Look at him talking from both sides of his mouth.
Your Majesty, sincerely speaking, this is beginning to look like a war against my gender. It's fine. I would also want you to know that my mother's will and all the documents of that property are in my custody. I can bring them to you if you want, Your Majesty.
Where in this world does women write well? Now maybe, Igwe.
Do you want to take over this meeting?
Not at all, Igwe. Far be it from me. I'm only trying to defend tradition. as an elder.
My daughter, I know where you're coming from and how you feel. But the will and the property you are talking about was acquired by your mother in her husband's house.
Also my mother's property.
Thereby making it her husband's property.
Automatically. Automatically.
Okay.
Ibe is the cause of this matter.
Okay.
Ibe!
Okay.
Look at him talking from both sides of his mouth.
Quiet! I will not warn you again.
Your Majesty, but one Ibe.
However, I will advise we postpone this meeting. Let us not set the house on fire. Simply because a rat ran into the house.
If we want to roast that rat and chop it, we roast it and chop it.
Can you hear to her? Can you hear to her? You read machine.
I'm not be fair.
Can you hear to her? I'm not na zo property be na ya.
Ibe, nkita wa ya zoro na ata akwa.
Okay. Soro mmụọ gbuo mmadụ. Soro mmadụ bizu akwa.
See, Evelyn, I don't know why you allow me to suffer myself. I say I love you and I want to take care of you. Trust me, I can take care of you very well. Oh no, I don't love you. I don't need you to take care of me. I have people that take care of me. Eh? You're not one of them, oh. See, we are in the same height, oh. We are in the same. I'm even taller than you. Leave me alone now. I don't love you. I don't want you to take care of me. With this your decimal point, I'm even trying to do humanity a favor by considering you. And you are doing. See, look at me. Look at yourself. Can you compare yourself to me? I want to treat you well. Like I want to change you. I want to renovate. Hey! Look at what you're putting on. Bathroom slippers. Haven't you seen palms? Eh? Where's your wristwatch? Go and price it in the market. You know how much they're selling it? Oh no. Have you seen this? This is gold. Gold. So if I'm standing here talking to you, I know people that are begging to follow me. But I'm just... So what are you doing here? Big. Oh no, we'll go and meet them. I don't need you, eh? Cheru? Or Ifa never know Kereka. Nebu you see. Oh no, leave me. I'm at home. Eh? If you see me, if I dress up, if you know even rich. Hey, no. Oh no, you know even rich. If you see the men, that are begging me, that are taking care of me, you run far. Oh no, you know listen, why I'm helping you is because of your father. Listen, I remember my dad once told me he was his classmate or something. So he used to copy from him. So our family, we are good in helping. Oh no. But if I was, if this is toy watch and they go tell your guy pempel. Okay. When we are small. You see this palm? I even saw Okoko wear this type of. Oh no, we are not my size. Go!
Tell him.
Hey, go! You cannot afford me now.
What are you doing here? Have I not warned you to stay away from my family? How many times will I tell you to stop coming here?
Wham. What is stopping? What is stopping? Huh? Wait, you that. Wait. You mean you've not matured up to now? Jesus. Do you think this thing you call bed, you fell on top of goats? Jesus. Look at you. When will you grow up? When will you be matured for once? Look at you. I'm not those small girls who go on the street and deceive.
Oh no, am I the one you're talking to like this?
Come on here. People, real people, they talk. Human beings. They follow talk. Brother, come on here.
No, remain here. Keep talking.
What will you do?
Nothing.
Shameless. Come on here. You want wait. Okay, for can get you happy. Yeah, because I like you. So you like it. See, brother. Julia. Brother. No. Look at this one. common strength, you know. This is one of the reasons I considered your family to come and pick bride from your family. So I will be giving you people food. I don't say you don't get food, I make you no get strength. Look at you. Shameless.
Brother, come! Brother, come!
And you are laughing. You are laughing.
I should not laugh before.
Brother, I remember that adage that says, Ochunwa kukonwada. Hey! Brother, you are dimpa for nothing. People dimpa bini. Nobody, this small boy dribbling you. Name you to akagwa. Hey! So only in this house that you have mouth. Brother, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of. Look at that small boy.
I'm in your hands, oh God. Never leave me.
I knew it. I knew it. I said it. Chiso warned you. You ignored her. Now look at someone you called your stepbrother. Okonkwo has come to claim all the things you fought for. All the things you sweat for. All the things you really worked for. The lands you bought in the village, the cars, the mansion. Where do I start counting from? Huh? You made him caretaker, gave him all the documents, all in the name of my cousin, my stepbrother. Now what is happening? He's coming to complicate matters. Okudili is a very wicked, and if I'm not even wicked, he's a failure. No, please don't, please. No. I want to repeat it again. No.
Why are you getting yourself worked up, love?
How can you be buying land your village for heaven's sake? Once your brother calls you on phone that there is land, pity, you just take one and send to him to go and buy for you. I'm not paying though too much that he's doing this, but my major problem is this. All these things should be under our care. You usually trust people.
Baby, but listen, I know you're talking about the documents. He has it. That's the truth. But I also have it. Tochi, my lawyer, has it too. And the documents are on our names. I'm not stupid, babes. You should trust me.
Listen, baby. You shouldn't have given him any documents. All these things should be under our care. We have a lawyer who can take care of this.
Stop. You're beginning to drag this too much for crying out loud. Stop, my love. We're talking about my stepbrother for crying out loud. That's my stepbrother. His family. His blood. He hasn't done anything for me to lose my trust in him.
Your brother?
Yes, he is my stepbrother.
Baby, you just have to try your best and get all those documents.
Baby, I said let's stop this, please.
Okay, listen. I will never interfere again.
Babes, he hasn't gotten to that, okay? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So what would you rather have me do?
Listen, you have to go collect all those documents.
That's impossible.
But we have a lawyer who...
Baby, no! No!
Ibidokwa?
No. Don't say that, my love. You're making it seem like my brother is some kind of hoodlum or a bad person. Okuli, my stepbrother, is very transparent. He's a good man. He loves us. You wouldn't even know we're not from the same biological mother. He hasn't done anything for me to lose the trust I have on him. Why are you making it seem like there's a problem?
It's okay. Go ahead and buy more properties from him. Go ahead!
Maybe I didn't explain to you in a more polite way. You should know I would never disrespect you. But the fact is, I love my stepbrother and I trust him. Babes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Smile. You don't want to smile. That's fake smile.
I told you, but you didn't listen. You don't just trust people. Even if it's your blood brother or your blood or your relation or whatever. Anything can happen. This life we're living. Anything can happen. What's all these things for?
Babes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I mean no disrespect. I never knew Okudile would behave like this. I see him as someone who has our interest at heart. I see him as family. I never knew he has ulterior motive. I'm sorry, my love. Please forgive me. Please. I'm just confused. I don't know. Where do I even start from?
My God, please. Please. Just calm down.
I'm sorry, baby. You know I'm the last person that would disrespect you intentionally.
Sister, you have to take it easy. I know for sure that Satan wants to disunite this family. But you know what? He will not succeed. He will not succeed.
But let me just throw you pudding get it now. You see Okudile? He can never stand me. Makachuku. He can never. In fact, let me just tell you the main thing now. Tomorrow in the morning, I'm going with you guys to the village. Let me see if you can look into my eyes and dare me. Can't say a go. Nonsense.
I've told you not to worry yourself. I deliberately adjourned that matter so that I can find a way to favor your husband.
How do you intend to do that? How do you intend to do it? I want to know.
Ujumwa, I have copies of the will at the palace.
Okay.
I will study it and look for loopholes that will allow me to favor you.
I like that.
Yes.
Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I'm very happy. I knew you.
Jesus! Sisuju!
Huh? Evelyn.
Hey! Mama, come and see American Wonder.
What did you do here?
Tell us what is your problem? Tell us what you said you saw in the hotel. What happened in the hotel? What is this that you saw? Tell us now. Why are you behaving like this? Tell us. We are listening.
Brother, what I saw, I cannot say it though. What I saw, brother, if I say it, in fact, I will not say it.
Isn't it? You must say it. Tell us what you saw now, isn't it? Say it. It is obvious that you are becoming a peeping fornicator in that place. You are now taking your boyfriend to the hotel and then you are seeing what you keep on seeing is fornicator scenes and did you see Ebuka and Uchechi? Let me go and finish them.
It would have been better that I saw them than what I saw.
What is it that you saw that you don't want to say? Tell us what you saw in the hotel, Evelyn. What is wrong with you? What you saw? They want us to run away. Nobody knows what you saw. Whether it's a very dangerous thing that will lead us to run, and we are still here. Tell us what you saw. You don't want to tell us.
Mama, if I say it, if I open my mouth and say it, this building will collapse.
Shut up there! Which building?
The building that the only thing I have that my father left for me. You want to come and collapse it because you are working in that hotel.
Forbid.
Mama, it is time this girl stop working that place. Bagam, she should stop going to that hotel to work.
I have stopped. I have stopped going to that hotel.
Stop.
Hey! God knows that I cannot go to that hotel again. I cannot go. Hey! If people don't understand though, what I saw, you're not even supposed to tell me twice.
Mama, what you saw. The thing doesn't have a starting and it doesn't have an end.
Mama,
huh?
I don't want to listen to what she's saying anymore. Just make sure she keeps whatever she wants to say to herself. Because I know she has not brought any man here in this house, let alone knowing the cost of cement. So you better keep whatever nonsense you have to say with your mouth. And make sure that this your resolution not to go to work in that hotel again is true.
But I cannot go. Hey! I have stopped the moment I saw what I saw.
Evelyn, what is it that you saw that you don't want to tell us? Tell us, your brother is out.
Mama, what is it? I said I don't want to talk now. I don't want to talk. Period.
What kind of a daughter is this? What kind of a child? What kind of a daughter is it that cannot confide in her mother? Eh? If I call her Weporo now, they will say I'm cursing my own daughter. But she's behaving worse than Weporo.
My children, I call this family meeting.
Uncle, observation, please. Please. This young man sitting here is not part of this family. If he claims to be part of this family, then we should wait for my wife to be here.
Yes. That's a lie. That's a lie, Brother Okudili. Uncle, you called all of us for this meeting.
Everybody.
Your wife deliberately didn't want to attend this meeting. So you have no right whatsoever to ask my husband to leave. Amaka. How dare you pour such insult on him?
Amaka, is it Brother Okudili you're talking to in that manner? One more word from you again, eh?
What will you do? What can you do? How do you talk to my sister like that? What will...
Check it. Mba kuposo, kantili garu now.
Excuse me. Sweetheart.
My love, please stay.
Don't bother, sir. Meet me in the car.
Sebapo, you're not part of the family. Can we proceed?
Uncle, I'm just respecting you.
Supposed to respect.
Brother Okudili, I've never in any way disrespected or disregarded your position in this family ever since God blessed me. I see you as a brother. I regard you as such. I don't know what has pushed you to this sudden behavior of yours, but I want to ask for peace. Please, for the debt incurred by my late father, I'll settle it. Let there be peace.
Don't pay for me. I do not ask you to pay for me. Leave this family alone and go back to your husband and live with him. I don't need it. I'm miserable lawyer. So don't pay for me. Ndala. Barren wage.
What? What did you say, Uncle? What is it? You want to read from where you lost talk? What will you do? Let me talk here. What is it?
Don't ever come back, oh. And there's one again. I could leave me alone. Oh, first of all, when I saw property been there, on your on a bed here.
A big machine.
Look at it.
Yeah, I can see.
Is it not beautiful?
Oh, very, very beautiful. Chai. What is very cheap? Oh yes.
I'll leave my hand alone.
Cheap.
It is you and your entire generation that is cheap. Can you afford it? Can your generation afford this ring? Look at it. It's a diamond ring. 24 carats.
Who fed you with all those lies? This thing is a tiny handcuff. A tiny handcuff designed to handcuff your life. Just like Ikechukwu handcuffed Nkolika. This is 11 years in her relationship and still counting. And there is nothing to come out of it. You are entering that same place.
Ndoka. Efulefu. We all know it.
You are right.
You are only jealous. Jealousy. You are only jealous. Look at it. I know that it's only you in this village that if you toast a girl and the girl didn't agree for you, you start being bitter. You start being jealous. You start talking here and there. Be gallivanting. Be walking around in this village, east, west, north, and south. Don't pick a hustle. Pick a hustle. Look at your friend Obina. He's in Dubai hustling, making money. Yes. Obina cash. Look at it. He's hustling. Yes. Go and make money. Go and hustle and leave me alone.
You should be happy that at this time I'm still hustling you. Yes. Because the person that handcuffed you is a criminal.
Hey.
He smokes Igbo too much. Let me tell you something. You don't even understand science. Yes. Not only did he give you a handcuff, he also gave you a razor blade. Look at the razor blade he gave to you.
You will not
so that he can cut your heart into pieces.
It's not your business.
You cut your heart
It's not your business. Ebuka has proven himself to be a gentleman, a nobleman. He engaged me, and I will soon be his wife, Mrs. Ebuka.
This is year one.
Look at me now, Onny Eke.
You're one of the imprisonment, heart imprisonment.
Whatever. I will invite you. You are invited to my trad. There will be surplus of food, drink, dancing.
I don't go to trad, but then I'll be in Dubai. I can only go to your marriage will not even be complete. Traditional marriage is cut into.
Shut up! Trad means traditional marriage. That is what it means.
He has already cut off your heart.
It's not your business.
Yeah, the shine has gone off you.
Go and make money. Go and hustle. Hey, Onny Eke. Oh.
Since you went to worry and came back, you don't even know how to speak our language. I don't know how he brainwashed you that you don't understand that this young man is he actually going to marry the woman that I love? No problem. It is better you take me now that you can, because very soon I am traveling out of this country and I'm going to make a lot of money. You think money is by something that is in the pocket? No, money is in the heart. And the kind of wealth I have in my heart will very soon transform into physical cash. Remember there? That's the same thing I told you in college. She's still 11 years practicing her prison yard relationship. The only certain does this year. I know I love you. Mama, I want to see Papa Obinna, and he told me that Obinna, my friend, said that he wants me to come to Dubai. Yes.
Hey, hallelujah! That's a huge development. Ije go Dubai, Hey, we'll travel to Dubai.
But Mama, there is a problem. Serious problem, Mama.
What kind of problem is that?
See, it's not easy to just get up and go to Dubai. Dubai,
oh.
I need a lot of money.
Sure.
Yeah, I will need to pay for my visa, my passport, my international this and that. If I go, can't go. And you know we don't have anything. We cannot sell this house. Else we are going to be living as tenants in our own father's house.
Oh.
We cannot sell this place. What are we going to do?
Ndoka. Is that not why it seems as if I'm crying for Obianuju and what she did? If Obianuju hadn't done what she did, probably we would have gone to see Amaka and beg her for an assistance. You know, she has a very good heart. She would have helped us. But as it stands now, there is cold war in their house. I'm not sure she will still have the zeal to help us.
Mama, I understand how you feel. But I also want you to stop talking about Obianuju at all. Forget about Obianuju. Forget about her.
So what are we going to do exactly? Because there is no money in this house. And we don't even have any land to sell. And we don't have any property that can give us the kind of money you need. What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
Hey! Opportunity that came from there.
Please come to our rescue. Don't worry. God must surely show us a way out, okay? It's well.
Cheers!
Let us make merry and enjoy ourselves.
Cheers!
Welcome
to the family of winners. Welcome to the family of winners.
Yes.
We have won the battle.
Family of Ndimeli.
Hey, Ndimeli. Hey, Ndimeli Kaibo.
Yeah, Ndimeli Kaibo. Let us drink and make merry because the battle has been won.
I have turkey. And Uchechi is actually spicing it up as we speak.
I can't wait.
It's gonna be delicious.
But Okey, I never knew Igwe has so much wisdom in his head.
Oh, he's an intelligent man. He is too brilliant. Oh my God.
It's not
right? You're feeling victorious.
Yeah.
The victory is doing me like this. Like this.
Awkwardly, my big brother.
Why are you in a hurry to celebrate your foolishness? It's pure mirage. All of you should know that this madness will never last. Yes, Ojiofor will always skim through. My beloved brother, Okudili, I will never dispute or neglect your position in this family. I will always love you and respect you. But you see this battle, you will never, ever win it. You can do what you want. Fight me all you want. Make me worthless. Take the world from me if that's what you truly desire. When we finally meet in court in due time, even if the court favors your head, I would rather die than to have you take over my mother's legacy. Nice one, bravo. Go on and celebrate your foolishness. Okay? It's fine. See you in court.
A loser is a loser.
A loser you shall forever be.
Okay.
Winning Amaka.
You, everybody goes.
But you know that song? When the winner grabs it, he makes the losers so small. Okay,
Your Majesty, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. I want to know, this matter between Okodili and Amaka, what do you have to say about it? That you are late brother's children.
Yes. Already you know where I should stand. I stand where tradition stands. That is it. In the history of our kingdom, nowhere do women partake in their father's decision. That land, the property in question, Okonkwo is the rightful owner of the property in question. That house was erected at his Anampu, and as the first son of
Evelyn, what is it? What can I do for you?
Igwe, have you forgotten? You told me to come today for the money. I am here.
You see why she should barge into our meeting and interrupt our...
I promised to give her some money.
Okay.
Evelyn, I don't have cash with me here. Let me do transfer for you.
Yes, Igwe.
I'll put your account number here. It's done.
Igwe, are you sure it's 100K?
100?
Don't mind this stupid girl.
Get out of here!
Igwe, Abanyego.
Your Majesty, could I have you sugi na nwa nazo? 100,000.
It's 10,000. Don't mind the stupid girl.
Okay, let's come out from there. That property in question belongs to Okudili, the first son of my late brother. Please do not judge it otherwise.
It's okay.
I don't want... No
problem, no problem.
Who told you? How do you not live here? Who invited you?
Sister, is that why you want to injure me? Who doesn't know you're here? Eh? Mama told us that you're here. You even said it with your own mouth.
I did.
Sister, I am not here for sisterly love and play. I am here for business, for money.
Which money?
The money you promised me the day I caught you and Ezen Nanyedugo in the hotel room.
Shut up!
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You must give me my own money.
He gave you money that day. He gave you.
He gave me his own money and told me that everyone must pay for his own sin. I'm going to Kenaka.
What is that supposed to mean?
Sister, I don't like the way I'm standing here. Mama told me that we should stop coming to your house. So give me the money, let me start going now.
Oh, okay. No. Is it not you again? Obela Musu. When they say go right, you will go left. Mama said don't come, but here you are. Hey, wait. Look at your hand like fuck. If I slap you, you will get out from here.
If you like, insult me. But you see, money matters. I don't obey instructions.
See, no?
Sister, even the devil's instructions, I disobey it.
Pick the first time.
I will not. You must give me the money. I'll talk.
Talk. I think I'm interested in hearing it. Well, what is the talk for? Go ahead and say it. Say it. What does she want to talk about?
You know, it's about Mama.
Mama said that she's disappointed in both of you.
Yes.
Especially my sister. Because she said that she does not want to see my sister in her compound again.
Yes.
Mama said that?
She said it.
What happened?
You know, Mama is a fool these days. When somebody have money and the person that's... When the other person don't have money, they tend to be... bitterness. Mama is one of those people that's not happy that we live in this kind of place.
Okay, so...
she's saying many things. She hates me and she said many things, but who cares?
I think there's another thing you want to tell me, right?
I wanted to say I'm on my way.
Oh, yes. I will send a message.
Okay.
Like we said.
But sister, remember that Jesus will always come again. You see what
Mama said that?
Oh, yes, so.
Was that why you dragged her to this place to discuss with her?
Yes, so. Ha! You don't know Evelyn. This one that talk like when you share the love, she will just not minding that you are still Mama's in-law. She will talk out of tune. And then you start to hate Mama. She's still your in-law. You cannot hate your in-law.
But you should have done that inside.
I was saving Mama some embarrassment. Even though Mama does not have shame, I'm still ashamed on her behalf.
Okay, I'm going
You're
out
smelling good. You're going out.
I will see you in the evening, huh?
Okay. Come on, we're going.
I will see you, eh?
Okay. Am I too hot? Okay, bye. I love you. No, you will not meet her. She walked too fast. You cannot catch up. Only go. You cannot. Bye.
Could it be that Ujunwa played a fast one on me? She used her little sister in order to extort money from me, or what? 100,000 naira just like that. She never counted it. How do I go about this? I favor her in so many ways, yet she refused to leave her husband and become my wife. I am not a fool. Oh, Ujunwa, you are ungrateful. You did this to me. You are so ungrateful. I think I know what to do. Yes, I know what to do.
Mama, come. Mama, bia. Mama, again. Mama, come and see.
What happened?
Look at it now.
I can only see figures, nothing else.
That is the problem. Now you can only see 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 million naira.
Hey! Brother!
Millionaire.
Millionaire.
2 million. Naira again.
Hey! Brother! Brother, I say millionaire!
Stop. Car is the latest.
Why are you shouting? Who are you calling? For what now? Stop. Look, how did it happen?
Mama, you, my friend, Obiora. I went to their house to help the father in doing some things and arranging his house. As a very good person that I am. When I was there, my friend Obiora called me all the way from Dubai. And he told me that he wants me to take the next flight to Dubai. And as I'm talking to you, after calling me on the phone, he now sent me 2 million naira and the phone number of the person who will help me to process my visa to Dubai.
Brother, Dubai.
Ndokana Dubai.
Mama, praising the Lord.
Praise.
In his sanctuary, praise him. Enough. What Naija Dubai? I know.
You.
I did millionaire. Millionaire.
I always know you will make it.
Yes, Mama.
I always know you will make it. Yes.
You are in spirit.
Brother millionaire.
Who church we know?
Yes.
Who church we know that's the latest millionaire?
Yes.
Bagam.
Yes, sir.
Keep dancing. Keep dancing.
Hey, Mama.
I want you to take a very good care of Mama now that I am leaving to Dubai.
I will do so.
The reason is very simple. You know that our sister Obianuju has abandoned us. Yes! She practically forgot everything that has to do with our family. So we cannot allow that to affect Mama. So you need to take care of Mama now that I'm traveling. Very, very important. Did you hear me?
Yes, brother.
Look, Uju did not abandon us. I personally don't want to see her. Yes, because of her character. I warned her never to come anywhere near us. Yes, that was what happened. I told her that unless she retraces her way, else she shouldn't come 20 kilometers near where I am.
Mama, that is the same thing I'm saying. She abandoned us because even when you told her what you told her, she is expected to retrace her step and come back to you, the mother, and ask for forgiveness. But she refused. So it is obvious that she abandoned everything that has to do with this family.
It's not her fault. I was angry with her. That is it. It's not her fault.
Okay, Adam and Eve.
Stop now. Stop calling my daughter names. Stop calling her names.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
You want to answer the name? You know you are going to Dubai.
Yes.
So you can answer
let me
it.
tell you, I am going to send 50,000 naira into Mama. This one you don't have an account. I will send to your own account. Why are you so excited about? I've not sent the money and you're excited. No. Mama, I'll bring it cash. I trust from you. I'll bring it cash. See,
yes.
I'm going to bring 50,000 naira so that you can be using it to be taking care of yourself and taking other small things that you can buy.
But Ndokao, it's good that you want to give us that kind of money, but it's too much now. If you give us that kind of money, which one are you going to use in making your papers and traveling now?
Mama, you don't have to worry. The God who started this work is going to finish it. Yes. This 50,000 naira I am going to bring is the money that you will be using to be taking care of yourself while I am in Dubai. If I give you 50,000 naira, you people can be feeding from it, and then you use the other one to add into your business. You know, continue your Nkburosi business. Don't bother yourself. When I get to Dubai, I will make sure I will send for both of you for vacation.
Hey! Mama. Dubai.
Dubai. Mo, Ezinne.
Mama, both of
Fly
us.
in the plane to Dubai. Hey. Onye Kambo. Onye Kambo. That is why you should answer that name we used to call you.
Hey,
Call her that name.
Yes, because you know, if she gets to Dubai, I will take care of people in Dubai, and I will also buy her some medicine that will make her to grow. You're not laughing now. Because you need to grow. So, Mama, you know, another thing that's very important is that when I get to Dubai now, there will be no apple, egusi, vegetable soup, onubu. They eat all these things that can purge. So I want you to go and cook something like you know, our onubu soup.
Sala.
Yes. No, like I'm just in onubu, bela. So cook it very well so I can eat it. Let it be my last supper before I travel. Because very early in the morning tomorrow I'm leaving.
I say don't space pick Kwala. You know I'm your mother.
I trust you.
I know your favorites. I'm going to prepare a delicious meal for you.
That good too.
Hi, Ezinne, come, let's go.
Mama, go.
Hey, how do you go?
I'll be putting in prayer morning, afternoon, night. God will bless you so that you remember also.
Even God, if God knows that He's going to bless me, and I'm going to remember you people. But you are supposed to remember that you must stay away from all these stupid boys that are coming around you. Yes, these boys are going to disgrace you. Stay away from them, else you will not go to Dubai. Except that one they call Ono.
God forbid. Hey, Akapoa, God forbid. But I'm taller than him now. How would I stoop so low?
You are very correct. You are very correct. You're taller than him. But what about the other one that used to carry you home with Keke?
Ken. But I will stop.
Are you sure? You better stop, because I want to see all these nonsense people. I want you to go to Dubai. You know, let us see how we can buy fertilizer and other small things that can make you to grow up to the size that people can marry. Because I don't know where you are coming from. You must have come all the way from over there.
Brother, I'm not the creator of myself. It was God that created me.
How can God create you and created Mama and Papa? They are tall. All of us are tall, and then you are just so low to the world.
You got you, Mama, call way much.
Oh yeah, boo.
Over my dead body. Over my dead body will Amaka live in that mansion. It will not happen.
It will never happen. We support you. We are right behind you. How can a woman who cannot stand upright to urinate to come to this village and claim his land, his properties and house? No, it will never happen in this village. You have to be a man and stand your ground. If she wants to do such a thing, let her go to her husband's house and do it.
There is one thing that is too funny about this matter. She thought I will stand by her and support her.
No,
it is not possible.
It's not possible.
A male woman, for that matter, is it because of what? She wants me to stand by her and support her. Let me tell you this. Because of this matter, we shall join forces with you and make sure we fight this battle until we win.
To the last.
Amaka wants to try me, right? Amaka wants to try me.
She can't do anything.
Okay,
we are right behind you.
I can't believe you connive with that thing you call sister. To blackmail and extort money from me. How could you?
You are accusing me. You are accusing me over what both of us are victims of. Are you being serious right now?
Your sister made me transfer 100,000 naira to her under duress.
As we speak, she wants me to give her the exact same amount. Otherwise, she will spill. She is threatening fire and brimstone. She says she will tell my husband. And by implication, the entire village will hear it.
So what do we do now?
Hey, you will help your girl. You help me now. You have money. I don't. For now, I don't. Give me 100,000 to give her. Please. I have entered the mansion. Finally, I'm busy now with the mansion. Man, I don't have. I don't have money. I have all this, but no cash to use to silence that tiny witch. Otherwise, she will put me and you in big trouble, big mess looming.
Are you for real?
Yes, now.
You are not serious.
I'm serious. Are you going? My love, my love. She's not joking, no. Just because she is tiny does not mean we should take her for granted.
My name Nuju, Ujuju Reju, Mwami Fanalu. Oh, I know what I want. I want to be in charge. No one they collect change at all, at all. I know send my she husband, na him sabi as I want her. Now so I.
That is it. When you come, my son, please remember to be prayerful. Always pray before you go to bed, please.
Okay, Mama.
Please.
Prayer warrior.
Ndoka, Lagos is a crazy city. That when you get there, you will see both ghosts, human beings, all kind of characters. Mandiaburu, my ritualist. Please, my son, when you get there, always watch your back. Like one Negi, please remember me, please. If anything happened to you, Ndoka, I will die.
No.
You
I'm not going to that. You will not die.
Mama, there's no ghost too. Aburu, yes, but ghost, there's no ghost.
Will you shut up? What do you know? Since you were born, have you left this village?
Mama,
what do you know in Lagos?
I will travel to Dubai.
You travel to Dubai? When?
You take me to Dubai.
Wait now. You have to wait first. Let me get to Dubai first. Then when I come back, because I'll go to Lagos, from Lagos to Dubai. Then when I get there and see the environment before I can come and take you. That is if you will stop working in that your local hotel.
But I've stopped. I've stopped. So don't even go there.
No problem, Mama. I've heard what you said.
Okay. I will miss you.
Mama, I'm not going to die. I don't know why you are crying like that. This is as if we used to watch in films. Somebody will just be crying. I'm still alive. I'm just going to make it big for us so that I can build a better house. This one, I will go old fashioned. Mama. Take care of Mama very well.
Okay, bye-bye.
I'll quit in your room.
Yes.
Okay.
It's there. And the soap. Bye-bye. Mama, let's go.
Will I see my son again?
Yeah.
Will I see him again?
Mama, you are traveled now. You are happy now. Continue to be happy now. You don't have to be sad. Don't do this. So. Me, I will start crying. Mama, let's start going.
I will miss my son.
Mama, you want to cry, Abby? I continue crying. Brother, Cody, Mama, cry.
Okay,
you are not so happy.
Bye-bye. Hey!
Okodele, I remembered you coming to tell me that nothing will ever tear your father's family apart. Yes, you told me categorically that you will make sure that there will always be peace between you and your stepsister Amaka. So what is going on?
Mr. Ibe, why are you here?
All right. Amaka, your stepsister, is highly disappointed in you. And she has warned you to leave this house within 72 hours. Else, you will regret ever being her brother or related to her.